Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Toyota Vitz fan belt. First, gather your essential tools like a 12mm wrench, a new fan belt, and a jack. Always ensure the engine is completely cool before starting any work to prevent burns. Safely lift the front of your car using a jack and secure it firmly with jack stands for stability. This preparation ensures a safe and efficient repair process. Now, let's remove the old belt. Locate the tensioner pulley, which typically has a 12mm bolt securing it. Using your wrench, loosen this bolt to release the tension on the fan belt. Once the tension is gone, you can carefully slide the old belt off all the pulleys. Take note of the belt's routing path. This will be helpful when installing the new one. With the old belt removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully route the new fan belt around all the pulleys, making sure to follow the exact path of the old belt. Double-check that the belt is properly seated in all the grooves on every pulley. Once it's correctly positioned, tighten the tensioner bolt to apply the appropriate tension. The belt should feel firm, but still have a small amount of give. Finally, lower your car safely back to the ground. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes, carefully observing the new fan belt. Listen for any unusual squealing or grinding noises, and visually inspect the belt to ensure it's running smoothly and is perfectly aligned on all pulleys. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced your Toyota Vitz fan belt. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.